Number only.
No. Leave this part. Okay. Half or dividing by 1. In that it is first part. Okay. Half or dividing by 2. Sorry, half or dividing by 2. Multiplication by 2, we call it as
Double.
doubling or double.
And the half we call it as half if divide.
Yeah. Dividing by 2, we call it as halving a number. Okay. How to double a number? Suppose if we take any number like 32, we'll simply 30 plus 30 and then 2 plus 2, 60, and this is 64. How to halve this number? Again,
What is the half of 30?
half of 30?
The 30 is half.
15. Half of 2 is
1.
1. Together it is
16.
16. Okay. In this way we can split the number and we can do the required operation and then we can add the numbers, resultant numbers.
Sir,
Yes.
but the last digit shall be 5 or 0, right?
Yes. Suppose if it is the number like 67. Okay. So always remember, halving is easy when the number is even number.
Yes.
Okay. We can convert this number into even number first of all. 66 and then 1. Okay. Half of 66 is
33.
33. Half of 1 is?
Half of 1, 0.
No, half of 1.
Half.
Half only. Half nothing but
0.5.
0.5. So it is 33.5. Okay. Half of 1 is 0.5. Half of 66 is 33. So even though the given number is an odd number, we can make it as is an even number plus 1. Okay. Any even number plus 1 will give you an odd number. Yes or no? Any even number, if you take any even number plus 1 will give you an odd number. So simply we are keeping that 1 aside and we are considering the remaining number and later we are adding that 0.5. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us do some exercise based on these points.
Find half.
Rishita.
Yes.
Very tough question. That is A, first question.
First question. Okay. So can I do the method you thought just now, or shall I do that division method only, like 0 last tens? Sir?
It is of your choice. I think directly
Sir?
you can say the answer.
Oh, okay.
Half of 10 is?
Half of 10. 5.
That's all. Aishi, half of 6 is? Akshita, half of 40?
20.
Okay. Saket, half of 14?
7.
7.
7.
Can I do the next one?
Yeah, I'll give. I will give. Wait.
Yeah, can I?
Surya Madhav, half of 50? 50?
25.
25. And Kadambari, half of 90? If you are unable to say the answer directly, you can do like this: 80 and 10. 90 nothing but 80 and 10. Half of 80 is?
85. Rafa.
Half
40.
40. Half of 10 is?
5.
5. Again?
45.
45.
Wow.
Okay. Always half is easy when if it is an even multiple. Even number or even multiple? Okay, then Sadika,
Yes, sir.
first question.
Yes, sir. We should do the process.
You have to explain the process.
The 30 half is 15.
Okay,
6 half is 3.
3 together.
1
15 and 3.
No. 15 plus 3, okay, 18.
18. That's your answer. And then Ananya,
Yes, sir.
second question.
B.
Sorry,
The B question, sir.
B question.
So half of 20 is 10
Okay,
and half of 8 is 4.
okay,
So the answer is 14.
14. Ananya, can you explain the same question in any other way?
Um,
28, you have written like this, right? 20 and 8. Suppose
yes.
if we write like this, half of 30.
Yes, sir. That could also be possible.
Half of 30 is
Half
15.
of 30 is
15.
15 and
Half of 2 is
half of 2 is 1.
15 minus 1.
15 minus 1, 14. So that would also be possible, sir.
Yes. Okay, right. Then Kadambari,
Yes, sir.
your question is C. Third question.
Okay, sir. 50 plus 2. 50 is
How much? Half of 50. Yes, yes. Is there any rain in your area? Kadambari, are you there?
sir, I'm not getting.
Okay, see. Let me explain. This 50 half you are not able to do, right?
Yes.
Then go to one more step here. 40 plus 10. Can I write 40 plus 10? 50.
Yes.
And then 2.
Yes.
Okay, then tell me 40 half is?
40 half is 20.
Okay. 10 half is?
5.
2 half is?
1.
That's all. Add all these numbers. 20 plus 5 plus 1?
26.
26. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then Vajrang,
Yes, sir.
your question is D. D for Delhi.
Okay. 10 plus. One second.
Yeah, correct.
10 plus 18.
No. You are splitting 18. 10 plus how much is 18?
10 plus 8,
Okay. Half of 10 is?
5,
Okay. Half of 8 is?
4,
Together?
9.
That's your answer. Santosh,
Yes, sir.
your question is F.
Yes, sir. We need to expand 86 as 80 plus 6, sir.
Okay.
We need to divide by 2 to make it 40 and 6 to make it 3.
Okay.
40 plus 3 is 43, sir.
43. Okay. And then Akshita, your question is J.
Okay, so 56 can be divided into
Turn off your speakers.
okay.
Hmm.
So 98 can be divided into 90 and 8.
Which is
So
better?
90's
Which is
half
better?
is
Just tell
45.
me. Just tell me.
8's
Wait.
half is 4, and they both together make 40.
Sir, 100 minus 2 is better, sir.
Wait. Akshita,
Yes, so
which is better? 90 plus 8 is better or 100 minus 2 is better?
100 minus 2.
Yeah, both will give the same answer. It is okay, but which is more convenient? 100 minus 2 is more convenient. Then
Yes,
you
sir.
can do that way only, but still your speakers are in turn on mode only.
Okay, sir.
Proceed.
No, sir. Me and Akshita are in the same house, so this is coming like that, I guess.
Okay. Proceed. Akshita.
So 100 double 100's half is 50, and 50 minus 2 is 40.
No, not minus 2. Half
48.
of 2 also. You have to do half for 2 as well.
Yeah.
Half of 100 is 50. Half of 2 is?
Oh yeah, half of 50 is 1. So 50 minus 1 is 49.
Yes, that's your answer. And remaining questions I'm leaving for you. Okay, then I think this exercise also you can do later, or otherwise we will do some sample questions. Okay, we'll start with Ayushi. Ayushi, your question is H.
Yeah, sir. The half of 400 is 200.
Okay,
The half of 10 is 5.
okay,
And the half of 6 is 3.
okay.
So 200 plus 5 plus 3 is 208.
208, correct. And if you are comfortable with 16 directly, you can tell the 16 also. You no need to split 10 plus 6. Half of 16 is 8. If you want, you can do like that also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Saket Ram,
Sir,
your question is I.
so 300. So 300
Tell, proceed.
plus 80.
Okay,
250 plus
250. Half
sorry,
of 300 is how much?
150
150
plus 40
plus 40,
190.
190, correct. Just tell me half of 38 is how much?
Half of 38, sir.
19.
19. Later you can add that 0. You can write that 0. Okay. Then Vajrang,
Yes, sir.
your question is A, first question.
Okay.
one's half is
Not
I mean,
one, that
10.
is not one.
Yeah, hundred's half is 50.
Okay.
60's half is
30.
Wait, remaining people don't.
30, and
30.
4's half is 2.
Okay. 50, 30 and 2.
The answer is
50 plus 30.
it is 802.
No. Where is 100? 50 and 30.
82.
82. Okay, then Sadika.
Is which one, sir?
K.
Okay, yes, sir.
Hmm.
400 half is 200.
Okay.
56 half is 23. Sorry.
Hmm. 50 half
20
is?
50 half is 25,
Okay. 6 half is?
and 6 half is 3.
You are searching for this one only, 28. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Altogether?
200 plus 28 is
228.
228.
Why are you thinking for that? Okay, right. See, if it is division by 2, we are calling it as? If it is division by 2, we are calling it as?
Dividing by
No.
Halving.
halving.
Half or halving. Half or halving. Suppose it is division by 4, then?
Dividing twice. Right. So
Dividing by 2 twice. Can I call it as a halving twice?
yeah, so
Yes, sir.
yes.
Okay. Halving twice. Suppose it is a division by 8.
Halving thrice.
Yes. Halving
Halving
thrice.
thrice.
I think in the last class we saw this one. Multiplication by 2.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Doubling.
Double link.
Multiplication by 4, doubling twice.
Doubling twice.
Multiplication by 8, doubling thrice.
And multiplication by 8, doubling thrice. Doubling thrice. Okay. And we'll see these two also now. Okay, again, we'll start with the Rishita.
Yes, sir.
Your question is A, first question.
First question.
You have to divide this number by 4.
Yes.
You don't need to divide this number directly by 4. You have to use the concept of halving.
Yes, sir.
Tell.
So 50's half is 25.
Okay.
6 half is 3.
Now this
It
number
is 28.
Okay. One time halving is over. Next.
28 plus no, okay, so okay.
Again halving.
20's half is 10.
Okay.
8 half is 4. 14.
14 is the answer. Okay. Then Ayushi. B.
Yeah, so 60's half is 30 and 8's half is 4. 30 plus 4 is 34.
Okay.
And then the half of 30 is 15, and half of 4 is 2, and 15 plus 2 is 17.
Yes, that's your answer. And Sadika,
So 80's half is
wait,
40 and
wait. This is your question, G.
yes, sir.
Here, what you have to do? You have to divide this number by
104.
no 8.
Oh, yes, sir.
For this set, it is 8.
Yes.
Means you have to halve this number how many times?
3 times.
Yes. One time half results in
4 half is 2.
where is 4?
400.
Mm-hmm.
400. 200.
200.
And 200 plus 20
Hmm.
and 220
Okay, 220. Next.
and 200 plus 200 is 100
Okay, 200 half is 100. And then,
and 20 half is 10.
okay,
100 plus 10, 110.
okay. Again, 100 half is
100 half is 50
okay,
and 10 half is 5.
okay,
50 plus 5, 55.
55. So actually, for your purpose only, I'm writing all these things. But all these things you
Yes.
have to do mentally in the mind only. You should not
Yes.
write anything. And directly you can say 440 is a comfortable number. 440 half is 220. Again, half is 110. Again, half is 55. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
Vajrang,
Yes, sir.
your question is J.
Okay, sir. 40's half is 20.
If you can say directly, you can say.
Yeah.
44 half is
40's half is 20 and 4's half is 2.
together.
20 plus 2, 22.
One time half is over. Next.
22 half is 11.
Okay. And is that your answer or anything to do?
That's my answer.
No, here you are dividing
Oh, I
by
have to divide
4
11.
or 8. You are dividing by 4 or 8.
4.
No, see the question. Divide a given number by 8. From F to J, you have to divide given numbers by 8. Okay. So 2 times halving is over and one more time you have to do half. Tell me.
11's half is 5.5.
5.5. Nothing but 5.5, or we can write like this also, 5.5. Both are same. Just representation is different. Both are same. Correct. Then Saket.
Sir, I didn't get chance in so long.
Who?
Sir, me Surya Madhav.
Surya Madhav. Okay, I'll come to you. Just wait. Saket, your question
Yes,
is D. D for Delhi.
Okay, sir. Sir, half of 18 is 9, sir.
Okay.
9 plus 90 plus 0.
We have to add that, append that 0. That's all.
Okay, sir. 90.
90.
And the half of 9 is
I think it is better to do directly. Half of 90. Because half of 9 you'll
45,
get fraction.
45.
45. That's your answer. Correct. Next, where are you?
So can I have a chance?
Surya Madhav, where are you?
Yes, sir.
Your name is not visible here.
What, sir?
You raised a hand. Your question is I.
I. Okay. Okay. Sir, so 200 half is 100. 16 half is 8. So 108.
108. Okay. One time half is over.
Then 10 half is 5.
Not
8
10.
half is 4.
Okay.
54.
100 half is 50 and 8 half is 4, 54. 2 times half is over. Next.
50 half is 25. 4 half is 2. 27 is the answer.
27 is the answer. Correct.
So how did you respond this?
Sorry.
Sir, I didn't understand this I1.
So
I1.
So I'm Akshita. Can I get a chance?
Akshita, just wait. What is there in this I? See here? 216. Half of 200 is 100. Half of 16 is 8. Sorry, 8. 108. That is one time half. Okay, half of 100 is 50. Half of 8 is 4. 50 and 4, 54. That is second time half. And again, one more time half, because you are dividing by 8, nothing but halving the given number thrice. Half of 50 is 25 and half of 4 is 2. 25 and 2, it is 25 and 2, it is 27.
Okay, sir, understood.
Akshita.
Yes. So
E.
okay. 224 can be split in 244. 44's half is 22 and 200's half is 100. So 100 plus 22 is 122. What you have to have that also. So it can be split into 122. 100's half is 50 and 22's half is 11. So the sum is 61. So the answer is 61.
Yes, 50 and 11.
So the answer is 61, right?
Yes, 61 is the correct answer. Okay, we'll go back to the multiplications again. And this is our last class, right? Remember this one?
Yes, sir.
Multiplication by 5.
Sir, 5.
Yes, sir.
We have to divide it by 2 and add a 0.
Yeah, we'll continue the same. Just I'll revise.
Sir, can I do?
So what did you mean last class?
Last class, day before yesterday, I think. Friday. On Friday.
Friday's Vedic math class.
Okay, see. Instead of dividing a number, instead of multiplying by number 5 by 5, what we can do?
Divide by 2.
Divide it by 2, nothing but half the given number. And based on the remainder, you have to keep the last digit.
0 is the
The
remainder.
remainder is 0. The
last number should be 0. If the remainder is
The
1,
remainder
the
is 1.
last
The
number
last
should be
digit
5.
shall be 5.
Yes, correct. Very good. So remainder 0, last digit 0, remainder 1, last digit 5. Okay. And using this concept, we'll try to do some questions, some more questions. Ananya. Ananya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is your question.
64 into 5, sir. Okay, sir.
Divide this number by 2. Nothing but half of 64 is?
Sir, half of 64 is
Half.
32.
Yes, 32. What is the remainder?
Another 32, sir.
No, no, no. A remainder. Remainder is?
0.
Yeah, 0. If the remainder is 0, last digit will be?
Last digit will be 0.
0.
So the answer
So
will
that's
be 20.
320. Correct. Then Rishita,
Yes, sir.
this is your question.
Okay, sir. So there's no half in 9. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So the 9 half is 4. So the
No, no, no.
3
You can
half.
consider like a 92.
Okay, yes, sir.
Hmm.
4 plus 1. Okay, sir. So 93 half is 41.
41? No.
Yes, sir.
Check again. 92 half is?
Sir, 9 half is 4 because 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1
Okay,
is 9.
directly you are doing right. 9.5 is 4. 1 is the remainder.
Yes, sir.
With
3
that
half
one, it
is
is
1.
13. No, no, no. It becomes 13 now. There is one remainder in 9.
Yes,
That
sir.
one, it becomes 13 now. 1 and 3, 13.
13 or 30?
30. No, son, not 30. 13. 1, 3.
1, 3. So there is 1.
Okay. There, 2
Okay.
4s are 8, right?
Yes, sir.
But 1 remaining.
Yes. Sir.
So now it is 13, 1, 3. In 13, how many times 2 goes?
Times 2.
2, 6, 12.
6.5.
6 times it goes. Okay.
6.5.
No, no, no. 0.5 is not required here. So 46 times it is. 46 times. How, what is the remainder now?
1.
If 1 is the
One.
remainder, last digit will be?
5.
5.
Okay, 93 when divided by 2, it is 46 times with a remainder 1. So 46 you have to take directly, and with remainder 1, that one remainder results in last digit 5. Okay. Scroll. Okay, then Aishi, can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Even digit by digit also you can do half.
Yeah, sir. So 2000 half is 1000.
Directly you can say 2. Half of 2 is, because it's a big question.
Sir, the question is not visible.
Question is not visible.
So it's visible right now.
Now,
Half of 2 is 1.
So right now.
half of 2 is 1.
2 is 1. And half of 4 is 2.
Okay.
8 is 4. And half of 6 is 3.
Okay.
And since there is a 0,
Remainder.
last digit will be 0. So it's 12430.
Yes, very good.
How can I do?
Who?
Advika.
Advika, can you do? Can you do this?
But for first 3, but for
can do because it's odd. So how to do?
Okay, then see.
Can I?
Let this question give to another person, and then you can do Advika. You can do a separate question.
Okay, sir.
Surya Madhav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, explain.
Sir, could I just divide first?
You can explain directly, parallelly. How many times 2 goes in 5?
4, sir.
No,
2.
2 times.
So, I was saying the answer.
2. Then the remainder is
1.
with that 1 it becomes
19.
19. In 19, how many times it goes?
9 18.
Let Surya Madhav say. Okay. 19. In that 19, how many times 2 goes?
9 means
9
18.
times. Again,
One
remainder
will-
1.
It
Then
will become 18. Then again 9.
okay.
Then we'll get 0. Then 4. 4 goes 2
Should be
times.
4. 4 goes 2 times. Okay. And then
Then
7.
7. 3.
3 times with remainder.
1.
Now it becomes
12.
12. How many times?
Then 6.
6 times. So is there any remainder?
No.
Then answer will be
2992,360.
yes. That's your answer. Advika, understood?
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
598472 division by 2. See 2 in this 2 times it will go 1 remainder. With that 1 it becomes 19.
Yes, sir.
In 19 2 9 times will go again 1 remainder. With that 1 it becomes 18.
Yes, sir.
And in that 18 2 goes 9 times. And then 4 2 goes 2 times. And then 7 2 goes 3 times with a remainder 1.
12 goes in 6.
6 times. Understood?
Yes, sir. Oh, 12 half, we should do it 6. Okay, sir.
Can you do this? Advika?
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Explain parallelly.
1 half is 0. 2 half is 1, 4.
If it is not
Okay,
going,
yes,
one
sir.
second. If 2 is not going in first digit, then consider both the digits simultaneously.
Okay, sir. 6.
6 times, okay.
2.
Okay.
2.
2 times. Then the remaining number becomes?
3.
No. Remaining number becomes 17. Because 1 remainder is there in 5.
Oh.
Now it becomes 17. In 17, how many times 2 goes?
2 goes in 6 times.
No,
Oh,
17.
No. It goes in. Oh. It goes in 8 times.
8 times with a remainder or no remainder?
Remainder 1.
Then it becomes, the next digit becomes 18.
18.
Yes.
In that 18,
9.
9 times. Yeah, in 6,
3.
okay. In 9,
9 it's going in 4 times.
4 times with remainder
13 it becomes
13. 13 in 13, how many times 2 goes?
2.
13 in 13.
Oh, 6.
6 times with remainder.
With the remainder is 1.
Finally, remainder 1.
Sir?
So the answer
Sir?
will be, wait.
There
6
in
to
place of 6.
6 crore 22 lakh 89,340.
9,346 with the remainder of 1. That's why last
5.
digit will be 5. Somebody
Sir, I have a
asking
doubt,
doubt. Tell.
Sir, there in place of 6, we should keep 7, sir.
In place of 6, where?
One's place, sir.
In one's place, where is 6?
Tenth place, sir. Tenth place.
Starting 6. That's
Not that,
starting
sir.
up.
Not that.
1 second. You are saying about this one. This one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, how 7 times, sorry, how 7 will go in 3, sorry, 13. 2 7s of 14, it is exceeding the number.
Okay.
But we have only 13. So we have to consider below 13 number.
Okay.
Okay, done. Next slide. What is there on the screen?
Multiplication by 50.
Multiplication by 50. Remember, we are converting the numbers like 5, 25, 50, 125. Yes.
For the first question is the answer.
Wait. Okay. Let me explain and listen. First of all, listen to me. Okay. When the numbers like these numbers 5, 25, 50, 125, 250, 500 and so on, this type of number, any number multiplied by these numbers, then we have to convert them into base numbers first of all. Okay. 5 above base number is 10. Base number is nothing but 10 powers.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 25 base number is
50.
no, 100. 10 powers, 10 power 2. Okay. 50 base number is 100 again. 125 base number is
200.
1,000.
1000. 10 powers. 250 base number
1,000.
1000. 500 base number
1,000.
1000.
yeah 1000. Okay. See here, 50 becomes 10 means what is the multiplication factor here?
5 2s.
2s. 25 becomes 100. Multiplication factor?
Into 4.
50 becomes 100. Sorry, 25 becomes 100. It is into 4. 50 becomes 100.
Into 2. Into 2.
125 becomes 1000.
Into 4.
No.
Into 8.
Into 8. So into 8, nothing but doubling 3 times, right? 125 double is 250. 250 double is 500. 500 double is 1000. Okay. It is into 8. Into 8. 250 becomes 1000. What is the multiplication factor here?
Into 4.
Into 4. 250 double is 500. 500 double is 1000. 500 become 1000. What is the multiplication factor here?
2.
2.
Multiplied by 2.
Yes. 1 second. Yes.
So like in few questions, like we'll take 1, 2, 3, 123 into 50. Like we can do it like this also, no? It is equals to 120, 1230.
Yeah, see here. After this, you can ask your doubt. When you are multiplying by 5, what you will do? You will divide given number by 2. Yes or no?
The
You
remainder.
can divide the number by
And if the remainder is 0,
0, then
And
last
if
digit,
zero, if the remainder is 1, you have to add
last digit 5. Okay. Suppose when you have to multiply the given number by 50, then divide it by
4.
2 only.
2
Okay. Just now we have written on the top. Okay. To make 5 as 100, sorry, to make 5 as 10, we need to multiply this number by 2. Nothing but division by 2. To make this 50 as 100, again the multiplication factor is 2 only, no? Okay. Based on the remainder, we have to keep the last 1 digit or 2 digits, because 10 consists of only 1 digit, 1 0. That's why we are keeping last 1 digit. But here 100 consists of how many digits? How many zeros?
2.
2 zeros means we have to place the last 2 digits. Okay. Tell me, what are the remainder possibilities when you divide given number by 2?
1 and 0.
Yeah, if the remainder is 0, simply keep the last 2 digits as 0 0. Okay. If the remainder is 1, simply keep the last 2 digits as 5 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, when you have to divide given number by 25, in this case we have to divide the given number by,
Excuse me, sir.
yes,
So if we multiply by 50, can we also multiply it by 5 and add a 0 to it?
multiplied by 5, add a 0. How? Yes, very good, correct. Yes, correct. Into 50, nothing but into 5 and into 10, right?
Yes, sir.
So first you can multiply by 5 and later you can add this 0. We can write that 0 beside that number. Yes, that is also can be. Okay, see, multiplication by 25. Instead of multiplying by 25, what we can do? We can divide by how much? Here we saw the multiplication factors already. See, we saw the multiplication factors already. Instead of multiplying by 25, what we can do?
Divide by 4.
Divided by 4. Okay. Divide the given number by 4. And tell me, what are the remainder possibilities when you divide the given number by 4? Any number divided by 4, what are the remainder possibilities?
1, 2, and 3.
Any number when divided by 4, what are the remainder possibilities? 0, 1, 2, 3. Can 4 is the remainder?
No, sir.
No. Can 5 be the remainder?
No, sir.
Because more than 4 or more than 3, any number comes, we will continue the division. Will not keep it as a remainder. Will not leave it as a remainder. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3 are the remainder possibilities. Okay. And based on the based on the remainder, we have to keep last 1 digit or 2 digits. 25 we are making as the base number 10 or 100?
100, sir.
100 consists of how many zeros?
2
zeros.
2 means we have to keep the last 2 digits or 1 digit?
Last 2 digits.
Yeah, based on the remainder, we have to place last 2 digits. Okay. If the remainder is 0, last 2 digits will be 0 0. If the remainder is 1, last 2 digits will be 2 5. If the remainder is 2, last 2 digits will be 5 0.
5 0.
If the remainder is 3, last 2 digits will be 7 5. Okay. And if you observe simply, these numbers are direct multiples of 25. 25 is 0 times 20 0 0. 25 one time 25, 25 two times 50, 25 three times 75. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let us do these questions and later we'll continue the same concept. Here you need to divide the given number by, actually how to multiply the given number by 50.
24,800 and
Let me explain one question first of all. Suppose if the number is like 529 into 50. Suppose it is the question. Instead of multiplying the given number by 50 directly, I'll do division by 2 first of all. Half of this number. Tell me, half of 5 is 2 with the remainder 1. Now it is 12. Half of 12 is
6.
6. Half of 9 is
4.
4 with remainder 1. Okay. So because the remainder is 1 here,
The
because the
last.
We have
remainder
to
is 1
add
here,
5 and 0.
we have to write 2 digits at the end. Those 2 digits should be filled by 50. Suppose if the remainder is 0, 0, 0.
0.
Yes. Now you can do this question, and who is going to do is Varshit. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Why late today? You joined late.
Sir, actually, I was out, sir, so and I had an internet problem.
Okay, okay. Tell me, explain.
Sir, 248 divided by 2 is 124.
Okay. With remainder?
Since we don't have any reminders, we have to add 2 zeros.
Why 2 zeros? Why not only 1 0?
Sir, because
We have made this 50 as the base number 100, and 100 consists of 2 zeros.
2 zeros.
Yes.
so can you do in another method, like remove the 0 in the 50 and do multiply by 5 and add 2 zeros?
Yes, and even that is also same. Na? 248. First you will do multiplication by 5. Nothing but 2, 1, 4 becomes 2, and 8 becomes 4 because there is no remainder, last 0. And now you are adding this number 0. Same?
Those both are same, but for 50 there is 1 0, so that's the difference.
Yes. Okay, then Advika, ready?
Yes, sir.
This is your question.
5 goes for 2 in 2 times, remainder 1.
With remainder 1, okay.
So the 2 became 12. So 6 we should write up. No remainder. So we will write for 4 upper side 2.
Okay. With remainder?
And for
0
3
again.
we will write. And for 3 we will write 2. And
No.
remainder is 1.
2 times. How many
No,
times
sir.
2 goes in 3? Wait. Remaining people. How many times 2 goes in 3?
1 time.
1 time with remainder?
1.
Because the remainder is 1, the last 2 digits will be
5.
5 and 0. Last 2 digits, because we are multiplying by 50, not by 5.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then Naga Chaitanya.
Yes, sir.
Understood this method?
Yes, sir.
Can you do this?
Yes.
Proceed.
So it's 3, 2.
Okay.
3, 2. 3, 2. 3, 2, 3.
Wait.
9.
3. You can explain. Okay, you can explain. While explaining, it will be easy for you also. Okay, 6. 2 goes in 6 3 times. Okay. In 5 it goes
5, 2.
2 with
One
remainder.
number is remainder 17. It goes in
How many times in 17?
8.
8 times with remainder.
Remainder 1 and 9. 18.
18 becomes
9.
becomes 18 and goes 9. Okay.
It's 4.
4 times with
Remainder
remainder.
1.
And the next
1.
number becomes
15. 7. Remainder 1.
7
Again
with
7.
remainder 1.
Again
Again
7.
7 with remainder 0 and 2.
1. 1.
1 time. Okay.
2.
2 times with
2
remainder.
and 7. 2 and 7.
And then 7. What is the remainder finally?
0.
Means we have to keep last 2 digits as
2 0.
0 0. And that's the answer. Correct. Okay. And I'm leaving this question for you. Remaining, you can do it later. Now see this one. Multiplication by 25 and 50. Let me explain one question first of all. Multiplication by 25. Suppose there is a number like 33. You have to multiply by 24. Sorry, 25.
You have to divide it by 4.
Instead of multiplying by 25 directly, we have to divide the given number by 4. How many times 4 goes in 33?
2. No, 1. 1.
No. How many times 4 goes in 33?
8 times remainder
8
1.
times with remainder 1. Because the remainder is 1, we have to keep the last 2 digits as
25.
25. Sir, how to memorize, how to remember those last 2 digits means simply I will tell one technique.
If the remainder is 1, 25 multiplied by 1. If the remainder is 2, 25
2
multiplied
into
by
25, 3 into
25 multiplied
the remainder multiply with the multiplication factor multiplier. Okay, remainder 1 into 25, that is the last 2 digits. Suppose if the question is like 26 multiplication by 25. Now tell me, instead of multiplying by 25, we will divide the given number by 4. 4 goes how many times in 26?
6.
6 times with the remainder
2.
2.
So
If 2 is the
last 2
remainder,
digits should be 5 and 0.
5 and 0. The 2 into 25, 50.
26 goes in 9, right, sir, in 4 table.
No, not 36. That is 26. Okay. And then suppose if the question is like 67 into 25. Again, instead of directly multiplying by 25, I'll divide this number by 4. How many times 4 goes in 67?
16.
Yeah, 16 fours are 64 with a remainder of 16 fours are 64. What is the remainder? 64. And here it number is 67. What is the remainder?
3.
With the 3 as the remainder. Okay. And the last 2 digits becomes
should be 7 and 5.
how it is 7 and 5? Remainder 3 with the
3
25
multiplied by
becomes
25.
1675.
So
All of you are able to understand or not?
We are able to understand, sir.
Okay, and this is the last example. Today's
I'm
last example.
not able to understand. Able to understand.
Okay. And suppose if the question is like 56 into 25. Okay, instead of direct multiplication by 25, I'll divide this number by 4. How many times 4 goes in 56? 4 ones are 4 with the remainder 1, 16. In 16, 4 goes 14. 4 times. Overall, it is 14. Okay. Is there any remainder?
No, sir.
With no remainder means last 2 digits will be
0.
0, 0. And observe just these 4 examples. Observe these 4 examples. Wait. Just observe these 4 examples. then you will understand. Again, it goes wrong. Okay. Just observe these 4 examples. There is a remainder 0, remainder 1, remainder 2, remainder 3 examples are there. And you try to do these questions. And in the next class, we'll discuss these questions only again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.